right, so let's talk about some time saving tips because we all want to save some time. This is a really neat one, and this is the flash fill option. With flash fill, you know how when you are in your document and you can fill in a group of data like a consecutive numbers or maybe the first Monday in every week or something like that, something that follows a pattern. You can also do use a flash fill option. So with this option, maybe it doesn't necessarily follow the typical pattern like days of the week or months of the year, but maybe this follows a pattern that Excel can pick up on. So you'll just type in the first three examples to show Excel what it is. And then you can highlight those as well as the cells that you want to fill in and click on that flash fill button. This is located on the data ribbon tab on the data tools group. You can also use this keyboard shortcut, and it's also on the home ribbon tab. And this is the flash fill that I was telling you about. So I have these customer names first and last, and then the customer number. In this case, I want to use the first letter of the first name, the first letter of the last name, and then maybe the customer number. Let me type that in correctly. 4670, right? And then I type in the first three examples and then let it rip. And the third will be TS 46124. Now, I'll highlight the three examples that I put in plus the cells that I want to incorporate the rest of the fill in. To highlight, you click, hold, and drag with your mouse. Okay, and then we're on our home ribbon tab here. Let me just expand this just a bit so you can see all of the functions. If you're ever missing something and you're like, this doesn't look right, make sure you expand it. Okay, so here's my fill button. Doesn't look like much, but there's also here on the data ribbon tab, the fill button is here as well. So we'll go back here to our home ribbon tab. There's our fill button, flash fill, and it picks up the pattern. So that's really nice. Now,